This is what is known so far about the new variant of COVID-19 B1.1.529. What characterizes this new variant and how is it behaving? It was recently announced that a new variant of the COVID-19 virus, called B1.1.529, was detected in South Africa and is replacing the Delta variant. The first cases were detected since November 11 in Botswana. Some countries have started to take measures to prevent the entry of this variant into their territories, but what do we know about this new variant? It is not yet clear how effective the currently available vaccines will be against the new variant B1.1.529, as more is being studied on how it behaves. What has been seen so far is that it shows some mutations that could resist neutralization. In his Twitter account, the South African epidemiologist Túlio de Oliveira explains that in the ACE2 receptor, which is a protein that helps generate an entry point for the coronavirus to infect human cells, the new variant B1.1.529 has 10 mutations, unlike beta variants with 3 mutations and delta with 2 variants in that receptor. Furthermore, Oliveira explains that the new variant, B1.1.529, has a very unusual constellation of mutations, with more than 30 only in the peak protein. According to Richard Lessels, infectious disease specialist at the KwaZulu-Natal Research and Innovation Sequencing Platform, variant B1.1.529 shares similarities with lambda and beta variants, which are associated with innate evasion of immunity. These factors make variant B1.1.529 more transmissible and spreading more efficiently, which is why so far the scientific community thinks that this variant of COVID-19 could avoid parts of the immune system and the protection that offers to the human body. Mexican scientists and doctors recommend not to be alarmed at the news, since it is necessary to continue monitoring how the infections progress and what new discoveries are made about this variant B1.1.529. And of course, it is recommended to continue with safety measures such as the use of face masks, adequate ventilation of spaces and hand washing, as well as to continue with the vaccination plan. The advance of the COVID-19 variant B1.1.529 around the world. The new variant has been largely detected among young people. At the moment there are reports of several dozen cases in South Africa, Botswana, Hong Kong, China, Israel and recently in Belgium. Countries like Germany, faced with the fourth wave of COVID-19 that they are going through, have already taken the measure of banning most travel from South Africa to stop the spread of the virus.